Dear student of class 8th, today now we are going to start MT chapter 7 Dignity. Dignity is defined as the state of being worthy of honor or respect. The inherent worthiness of human being is known as human dignity. Every individual has a right to live with respect and dignity, and no one has a right to cause damage to the dignity of another person. This is considered as insult to the other person. One should not take any insult quietly but raise a voice against it to preserve his self respect. Now, come to the story. Sunil was a clerk in an office and he used to take order from his manager. He always tried to do his best with great fineness, but his manager always scolded and chipped on him without any reason. But Sunil was a modest person and always took everything positively. He never minded. Once a senior manager happened to visit the office. All were working well so as to make the senior feel that the office was running very smoothly. Sunil was also working sincerely. Seeing his work, the senior manager stand beside behind Sunil and see the working style of Sunil. He was quietly impressed with the working style of Sunil. At the same time, the manager came here and to impress the senior manager, he used to scold Sunil that he never wished the senior manager who is standing behind him. Sunil told that, Sir, I am not seen the sir that he stand behind me. It's not my fault. But even the manager scolded him badly and say some bad word to him. At this, the senior manager called both Sunil and manager in office and tried to find out about the behavior of the senior manager toward the staff of the office. Senior manager told that he deal with the staff in a good manner and politely. Today he see that the senior manager was standing behind Sunil and he not give him any importance, so he fired on Sunil. But senior manager conf- pressurized the manager to confess and apologize for his bad behavior. After that, he let the manager to go out of the office and he asked to Sunil that why you not raise any voice against the wrong bad behavior of your manager. You have no dignity. Every person have its own dignity and cannot bear silently this kind of misbehavior. The dignity is very important for every person. Living without dignity is not normal. One cannot live a life of disgrace. Sunil then realized his mistake and promised his senior manager that he would protest against any misbehavior toward him or any member of the staff in future. This is about this chapter. Thank you.